Okay, video blog check everybody. We're doing a series of unboxing. So this is a unboxing. Kamay ko lang yung makikita nyo. At welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Azrael and you are watching my YouTube channel that features lifestyle, travel, food, and tech, and also unboxing. So we are back sa ating unboxing. And I have here on my hand is the Realme hair dryer. I got this from Realme. It's a part of their campaign and I haven't opened it yet. At the SRP of this Realme hair dryer is 1,090 according to the Realme Shopee store. This is from the Realme official store in Shopee and it says here dati siyang 1,690 na naging 1,090 na lang. So what's the specialty of this hair dryer? It says here it has 13.8 ms powerful wind, 1400 watts efficient power, VO flame retardant material, saka 2 heat at saka 2 speed settings. I'm not a user of a hair dryer but sa mga hotel nagagamit ko rin to minsan. 5-minute fast drying, 55 degrees Celsius hair care, 20 million healthy ions at 19,000 RPM high speed fan. Hindi ko alam kung if this is a wireless or wired, pero I'm sure it's look like a wired hair dryer. So it's color white generic hair dryer and it's made in China because Realme is made in China. And now we have here in BGC the office nila. So let's open this Realme hair dryer. Let's check it out if it's good. So this is my first time to open it. This is just a very raw video for our unboxing series. I want to open it and try it. Actually, my wife is interested to use this. So ito na. I'll get it out from the box. At this is what we have. Inside is we have here some kind of a nozzle. Yeah, a nozzle. Yeah. And we have here the unit, the hair dryer unit. I need to remove this first so that we can see its style. There we go. This is it. Let me fix this box first for branding purposes. There you go. So here we are. It's a wired hair dryer. It's very nice, no? You know, I'm not a regular user of hair dryer, but whenever I'm inside a hotel, I always use the hair dryer to dry up my hair, my body, my legs, also my groin area. Kasi here in the Philippines, I'm using the electric fan na lang eh. Tumatapat na lang ako sa electric fan to dry me up. So this nozzle goes here. I think I need to lock it. As you can see inside, there's yung kanyang coil for the heat, and inside is the fan. So this is the exhaust. It draws air from here. And what else? There's a button, 3 modes of buttons, and also the cable. I need to remove the rubber band so that we can use this later. All right, for 1,000 pesos, let's try this. So let me put this nozzle first. I'm not sure if it's fit, no? Hindi ko alam kung kasya eh. Parang iba yung style niya eh. How to insert this nozzle, no? Parang iba yung style niya eh. Ayan. Well, I guess baka ganito ng ano. Ayan. Oops, natatanggal siya. Hindi ko makuha yung fit eh, kung paano ko siya ilalagay eh. Pero parang may lock. Or dapat, ano na to? Ayun, nag-lock na. Alright, ayun. Tap lang, nag-lock na. Okay, let me charge this up. Saksak ko na to, no, para makita natin. Magkaalaman na tayo kung gaano kalakas yung blower nito. Okay, naka-plug na. So I think pag pinindot ko to, it will blow, no? Ay, wala. Ayaw. Kasi naka-off pa. So I need to press 1. Wow, it's so hot. Grabe. Sobrang init. Oh my God. Alakas kumuha ng power nito. Sobrang init. Hindi ko mukha ng mga nasa hotel na natatry ko. No? Parang iinit pa lang siya. Dito talaga sobrang init talaga. Oh my God. Sobrang init. Number 2. Wow. Sobrang init. Grabe. Ang tindi nito. Ano kaya itong isang to? I think this is for the cold. Ang pinag ko ata, magkukul yata eh. Aray ko. Aray, init. Init pa din. Ba't ganun? Grabe, naamoy ko yung parang may burned something. Parang may amoy. Grabe, sobrang lakas naman ito. Ito parang, hindi ko alam kung pinipindot ko to ayaw. Ayaw gumana. Hindi ko alam kung para saan to. Lakas kumain nito sa lang power. Grabe, oh. Wow, nakakatakot naman to. Super init. Talagang if you are using a hair dryer talaga for your, pag bago kayo ligo, mahaba yung hair mo, you can use this to blow your hair para matuyo. Pero grabe, super lakas. Hindi ko na-expect na ganun kalakas siya. Also, pagka ganun, makapal yung cable niya, no? Makapal yung cable. So, it gets a lot of power. So, kung gagamit kayo ng extension cord for your hair dryer, make sure yung extension cord nyo makapal yung wire. Mga ganito kakapal kasi pag manipis yung extension cord nyo, mag-iinit din yung extension. Pag manipis yung wire niya, and ayun, magkakause siya ng fire kasi mainit eh, sobrang init eh. I'm using a bigger extension cord. Ganito rin yung kable niya, kaya okay lang. So, grabe, sobrang init. Hindi ko alam kung para saan itong ayun, nag-cool down. Ayan, nag-cool down siya. Pinarest ko to, kaso nga lang walang ilaw. Ayan, medyo cooler siya. Ayun, sarap. Cool siya, cool. Pero pag kinlik ko to, ayang init na naman kagad. Grabe, oh. Grabe, nakakatakot. Sobrang init. Sobrang init, grabe. Para akong yung sa kape. Bagong kulong kape. Grabe, so that's it guys for the Realme hair dryer. Super effective. Oh my God. Siguro yung cold version na lang yung gagamitin ko pa magpapadry ako sa aking kwarto. So I'll put this now in my room. Sama ko to sa aking beauty gadgets. Para magamit na rin din natin to. I'll set na lang to to cold na lang. Ayan. Ayan, cold na siya. Mas gusto ko tong cold. Ayan. Meron pa akong thermometer, no, para at least makita nyo pala. Pero hindi talaga sobrang init talaga. Hindi ko kaya. Talagang, kung meron kayong hair talaga, talagang tuyo-tuyo talaga siya. For sure. So yun, this is a price at 1,090 sa Realme store sa Shopee and also Lazada. So check it out, yo. So yun, that's the end of our unboxing. So maraming salamat guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, Realme hair dryer. Panalo. Alright.